The video highlights the top 3 features of the Oral-B iO8 electric toothbrush, emphasizing its advanced cleaning technology, smart coaching capabilities, and customizable brushing modes, making it an essential personal care gadget. Top 3 reasons the Oral-B iO8 electric toothbrush is a must-have. Today, we're brushing up on one of Amazon UK's top personal care gadgets, the Oral-B iO8 electric toothbrush. Priced around £219.99, this high-tech toothbrush has been winning smiles and sales across the UK. I've been putting it to the test, and I'm here with my top 3 reasons why it's a must-have for your bathroom. Let's dive in. Starting at number 3, the next-level cleaning power. The iO8 uses Oral-B's fancy microvibration technology, paired with a dentist-inspired round head that surrounds each tooth. It's like a spa day for your mouth. I swear my teeth feel smoother after just one use. Plus, it's got 6 brushing modes like daily clean, whitening, and gum care, so you can customize it to your needs. It's powerful yet gentle, perfect for sparkling teeth without the hassle. Number 2. The smart tech that actually coaches you. This toothbrush syncs with the Oral-B app via Bluetooth, giving you real-time feedback on your brushing. Missed a spot? It'll tell you. Brushing too hard? It's got a pressure sensor that lights up red to warn you. Green means you're good to go. And my number 1 reason, the sleek design and long-lasting battery. This thing looks gorgeous. It's got a premium matte finish and comes in colors like black, white, or violet. The magnetic charger is super slick, giving you a full charge in just 3 hours. And get this, one charge lasts up to 2 weeks. I took it on a trip, and it didn't let me down. So, there you have it, my top 3 reasons the Oral-B iO8 electric toothbrush is worth every penny.